Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, today we are going to discuss about pop-up menu in Android. What is a pop-up menu? Pop-up menu is a simple pop-up inside which we have a list of items. We can select only one item among all. This is same like spinner, right? But what is the difference between spinner and pop-up menu then? We have some restriction when using spinner. Spinner widget allow to click on that spinner button so that pop-up will be coming. Okay. But in our case, what if you wanted to show that pop-up when long clicking or when double tap when we drag something? So at that point of time spinner will not be useful. If you want to show pop-up menu on custom listeners, at that point of time custom pop-up menu is very important. Let's see how to create a pop-up menu and how to show that pop-up menu when clicking on a button. Let's go to our Android Studio, switch to Android tab. So first we need to create one pop-up menu. So how to create a pop-up menu? Let's see. Inside resource folder, right click, create a directory called menu. Okay. So under which we are going to place our menu file. If you already have a menu folder, right click on that menu folder, go to new menu resource file and create your own menu. I rename this to my pop-up menu. See, this is our menu file. So what are the items that we are going to show? See here, we are showing some items, right? Among all items, user can pick only one. So at all these items we have to show in that pop-up. So everything is an item. Okay, apple is one item, orange is one item. So everything is one item. Let's create an item list here. I'm creating first item. ID for that item is like apple ID. Okay, and title is apple. Now first menu is ready. So same like we can create 5 menu. Second menu is orange. Orange ID, text is orange. Third ID is banana. Okay, so banana ID, this is banana. Okay, fourth one is watermelon. See, when you are creating your items on the right hand side it is showing like this, right? But by default in editor when developing Android application in Android Studio, right, it will be displayed at top of the screen. So but this is not correct in runtime. So what will happen at runtime? When you tap on a button we are going to show this menu. Okay, so what is our fourth menu? Fourth menu item is watermelon. Our last item ID is mango. Okay, now our menu is ready. So what we need to do, we have to create one button inside our layout file. When we click on that button we are going to show that pop-up, right? So let's get a reference to this button in our activity. Find view by ID of what we are finding button, and ID for the button is click button. Okay, now save it in a variable. Now if you want to show that pop-up in a button click listener, create set on click listener. Okay, now make sure your click listener is working fine by showing a small toast dot make text of, in this context what is the message, button clicked, and the duration for the toast is length short show. Okay, let's run the app. What we are doing here, in our activity file we have one button. This is our button. When we click on this button, for now we are showing that toast message. Okay, a toast is coming, so button click listener is working fine. Now instead of showing a toast, we have created our own menu file, right? Just use that menu here to show that as a pop-up menu. We have a menu file here, but if you want to convert it as a pop-up, we have to create a pop-up menu. So pop-up menu we have to create, use Android X package, pop-up menu, save it in a variable. Okay, pop-up menu. So this pop-up menu takes two variable. One is the current context and another one is this is attached to where, this is attached to which button or which widget. Okay, so anchor for this pop-up menu, so anchor for this pop-up menu is our button. Okay, you can use other view also. So when you click on this button, on top of this button itself our pop-up menu is positioned. So if you want to show this pop-up on other widget, right, when clicking on this button, place that other widget reference in this place. Okay, now our pop-up is ready. Now we need to attach that menu into this pop-up. Okay, using inflator, menu inflator dot inflate. What is that menu file? R dot menu dot our custom menu, my pop-up menu. Okay, so where we are attaching into this pop-up menu is having menu, so attach all this menu in this pop-up. Okay, now what we are going to do, our menu pop-up and our menu item, our own created menu item list is now ready. Now set on item click listener for this, set on menu item click listener, on menu item click listener. Okay, this one, menu item click listener, what we get here, item will get. Okay, this lambda expression. On menu item click listener, why this is giving error? Okay, let's do one thing. Menu item click listener object on menu item click listener from Android X widget pop-up menu. Okay, see, this is menu item click listener from Android X pop-up menu. Okay, now implement all the methods. Place your cursor in this place, alt enter. Okay, in your keyboard, implement method, only one method we have. Okay, so this is what our menu, which item they have selected, right, that menu item. This is, it is asking for some boolean value to return, so return true. Sorry, not in this place, I have made a mistake. Okay, so what we have to do here, let's return that value later. Do one thing, create toast dot make text of context, this main activity and which item we are selecting. That item is what, this item dot title, and then toast dot length short, show that toast. Okay, now return some boolean value because this method is returning some value. Formatting the code. Okay, now what we are doing, we have a button click listener. When we click on that button, we are showing one pop-up with our own menu. Okay, when we click on that any of the item, we are simply showing that item. Okay, let's see what is happening. I'm running the code. Our app is running now. I am clicking on. Okay, we forgot to show the pop-up menu. Okay, at last we have to show the pop-up menu. Pop-up menu dot show. Okay, I'm clicking on that pop-up menu button. It is showing that pop-up. First we are clicking that button and then we are showing that pop-up menu. So what is the difference between spinner widget and this pop-up? Spinner also showing a pop-up. This is also showing a pop-up. What is the difference? In spinner, right, when we click on that widget, we are showing the pop-up. But when it comes to a custom pop-up, instead of click listener, we can use set on click listener or double tap listener, whatever you want. Okay, but this is not possible in spinner. Spinner will only show that pop-up when we click on it. Set on long click listener. See, now I'm showing that pop-up when I perform long click. Okay, okay, return true. See, I'm clicking, nothing is happening because on long click only I'm showing that pop-up. I'm long clicking. See, this is not working fine. So this is if you want to show a pop-up menu on our custom listener. Okay, after performing a custom action, you want to show that pop-up menu, we can go with pop-up menu at runtime option. So this is all about pop-up menu, friends. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in the next session.